Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Man, oh man, I'm so happy to be back. So, back from the cruise. The cruise was amazing, don't get me wrong. But got a little sick at the end of the cruise. And for the past couple of days, if you watch live stream on Tuesday, you can literally tell I was not feeling good at all. Actually, after the stream, I was completely demolished. Like, I think I just used every single bit of energy that I had to do that stream. And yeah, so anyways, yeah, so I was on antibiotics for a couple of days, and now feeling so much better. Okay, so let's rock for another Forex Talk review. So if you're new here, welcome. If it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to activate notification, and don't forget to elbow drop the like button. Okay, you can do a nose drop, you can do it like a forehead drop, you can do whatever you want, but smash that goddamn like button. All right. So I don't expect tons of people tonight, and the reason why it's because it's 4th of July, and if you are an American and you're here, much respect and happy 4th of July. So you guys must be partying hard tonight, or having a lot of fun with family, dinner, and everything. So I know most of you is going to be watching and catching up the replay later on. And if you're here now, props to you. It's because you definitely want to change your life. Okay, so all right, so we're going to be breaking down some charts. I don't have any live trades right now. I didn't took any trade so far this week. The market didn't give me any real solid opportunity. Plus, I was not feeling good. So I mean, all that together. So the concept of the show is called Forex Talk for a Beer for a reason. And I don't know why I'm about to do this. And this is just to respect the concept of the show. I think that's so stupid from myself, from my part. But I'll do it. The only beer left in my fridge was a goddamn 10%. So you can see the face of this guy. That's probably what I'm going to be looking, after drinking this. So hopefully I stay alive. You guys watch me, okay? Oh boy. Let's go, baby. There we go. So it's starting. Okay. By the way, if you're here, drop a hi. Let me know where you're from. All right, cool. All right, so let's do the official cheers, and we're gonna get the show rolling. So in 3, 2, 1, cheers, guys. I can smell the 10% from here. Woo-hoo! All right, let's go. Ho! It's strong. It's strong. Holy moly. I don't know if that was the smart choice, but we'll figure it out soon. All right, guys. So let's see. Bilal, good evening, sir. Oh, by the way, I got your message. Thank you. I still didn't reply to anyone yet, but I saw yours. By the way, so thank you for that. I'm gonna reply to everyone. I'll try tomorrow, guys, or this weekend. Actually, this weekend we're leaving camping, but Monday everything's gonna be sent. Raphael, glad to see you're doing better. Thank you, Raph. I appreciate that. You don't trade with Raja anymore? No, it's been a while. It's been like a couple of years. Yeah. Since I think he left for Pakistan, like his trading time changed. So, and way before that actually. What's up, Sasha? What's up, Salah? Hope you're doing good. Oh, I missed the first message. Hey, brother, long time to see. Yeah, it's been a while, man. Been a while. Didn't see you. Okay, so let's get going, guys. Let's get going. Where's my chart? Oh, there we go. Cool. Okay, let's get this banner rolling. Cool. Okay, let's start with GJ. GJ, man. Oh, yeah, the only trade I took actually was the Dogtail setup. Yeah, and this one was fucking good. Like, I wish I would have held a runner on that one because that one was massive. So that one was a 1.4 to 1. So once again, quick scalp here on the Dogtail setup. Very basic. I waited. And guys, Guys, if you were on the live stream on Tuesday, you caught that. You caught that because I said just before closing the stream, I said, if this fucking candle, sorry for the F bomb, if this candle closed above this resistance, I'm gonna wait for the next candle to create the wick down, which is the tail, break the high, enter the trade to the upside. Who got that trade that's here right now? Please let me know. If you caught that, let me know. Mine. If you guys missed that and you were on the live stream, I don't know what the fuck you are doing. I said it loud and clear. Loud and clear. Dude, can you imagine dude, if I had just owed like a 10% runner, this would have been like an 8. Ooh, that would be massive. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Hold on. Wait a second. We got Bilal here. Bilal. Caught a 1 to 2. Yeah, here we go. Let's go, baby. Good job. You see, you're paying for the boot camp right away. That's amazing. Love it, man. Love it. Love it. Cheers, man. Okay. So now for GJ, because I love GJ. No, I mean GJ's just massive up. Look at this. No. Look at this. Let me delete this. Perfect. So now you just wait for the pullback. And we need a massive pullback on this daily now. Let me see. Let me see, ladies and gentlemen, where we're going here. We need to pull back like somewhere around here. Let's remove this now. And boom. So basically we want price to come down in this area. And also, if you look here on the weekly, we're gonna take this here. Man, oh. Okay. Yeah, so that's about it. Not much else to do here. Let's just update this and that. There we go. Perfect. By the way, guys, if you have any question, you stop me, okay? This show's going to go pretty fast because, like I said, I don't have any trades to talk about except for that dogtail setup, which is super quick. But we're going to be breaking down a couple charts. If you have any trade ideas you want to share or you want to validate or you have question, you want to have opinion, whatever, send it over, okay? Cheers, guys. Okay, so let's take a look at Euro NZD here. So that's the one I've been waiting for. This one's playing out pretty nicely so far. So we have the pullback. We reached the golden zone, which is also the weekly area of interest right here. So that's good here on the weekly. I'm trying to put this. There we go. Perfect. Okay, now let's take a look at the daily. Daily is also bearish. We got, like, I don't know, man. I didn't have any problem before with Oanda having like gaps. Like, that's new. Like, I never had gaps before with Oanda, or very few. Now just I don't know what's going on. All right, so if you look here on the daily is bearish. We got those, like, again, another doji. Okay, that's weird. Okay. I was really expecting to take this trade here. You'll see. So we got a 4-hour. Okay, so let's recap this. So we got a weekly bearish. We got the daily bearish. We got a 4-hour bearish. And 4 went, oops. 4, I mean, what am I saying? 4 went bullish. And what am I saying here? 4 is bullish. Sasha, change your line. There we go. You see, that is just to prove to you that I was not feeling good this week. You see, I was waiting for H1 pullback to take the trade to the downside once H1 was bearish, because H1 was bearish like from there to there. From here, I was expecting a pullback to take the trade down. Thank God This never happened because in reality, 4 was bullish like a dumbass. But I just did change the color of my lines. You can tell I had fever. I was not feeling good. So now let's delete this because this is not right. Okay, so now we are bullish on the 4. So what we're waiting for is it's either this price doing something like this, whatever, go bearish, retest to go down, which is going to be like super low. What the fuck? The best thing would be for price to do something like this, create a new high, you know, break under here and come down, so that would be the best thing. So until then, stand by. So right now we only have the weekly and the daily bearish. So now we're gonna wait for the 4 to flip bearish. So GBP let's see, weekly. We have the weekly bearish now. We got the pullback inside a weekly golden zone. We crushed the area of interest, if I'm not wrong. Here we got 1, 2, yeah, no, okay. The daily is bullish. Yeah, I don't like those gaps now and wonder what the hell. Never had that problem before. That's so weird. Okay. So we are bullish here. So we need the daily to go back bearish. So basically that would be nice to do something like this. Break under once again, retest to continue down. So stand by. Like I said, man, those pair are not ready yet. Let's see here on the weekly. This one was looking promising. We'll get a nice pullback. I was expecting a pullback around this area at the weekly golden zone, which is also major QP, which is also a weekly area of interest, which is beautiful, like with all those confluence. Now, if you look at the daily is bearish. So obviously what you want is daily to do something like this, come down in the golden zone, come back up, break resistance, retest to go to the upside. Okay. But it's very slow. But we got NFP tomorrow, guys. Don't worry. Don't forget that. Here, if you go here, calendar, tomorrow, where are we? Sunday, Monday, Friday, USD. There we go. We got an NFP here. Okay, so tomorrow. So that's gonna be crazy. Okay. Cheers. Let me see here. Will you still take any trades tomorrow and hold over the weekend? I've avoided taking anything but scalps on Fridays. Tomorrow I don't think I'm going to be touching the market. Like maybe after NFP, when the market corrected, or maybe if there's something super clean. But tomorrow's NFP, so I kind of stay away. Might do like a quick scalp, but that's gonna be that's about it. Maybe on the dogtail setup on GJ, if anything present for himself, but except that, not looking. I don't think anything's gonna be ready by tomorrow. To be honest, like looking at how the chart are right now, like if you show me a pair that's more ready than those one right now, I'm curious. By the way, guys, smash that goddamn like button. What's going on here? Hello. 1, 2, test check. Elbow drop. Click your button. Like one finger. One finger. Cheers, guys. Okay. So now let's take a look at AUD-CHF. AUD-CHF weekly is bullish. Yeah, right now it's no good. Right now it's no good. We need to pull back because we're at a high right now. So like I said, nothing's ready. So it's not even worth it, keep breaking it down because it's not close to be ready. USD-CHF, let's see. Let's see, USD CHF weekly. Boom, 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 boom. We are bearish here. We got the pullback at the area of interest, which is also the neckline of that double top. We're respecting the major QP. And if I'm not wrong, that must be also the golden zone right in here. There we go. So a lot of confluences here. Let's take a look at the daily. The daily is bullish now. So we went from bearish to bullish. So now we need the daily to go back bearish. So meaning we need something like this, come down under, retest to go to the downside. Okay. So that's something we're waiting for. So that's not ready either. NZDCHF. Oh, looks like we reach exactly where we wanted here on the weekly, which is previous. God damn it. Previous resistance. Structure point. God. Sorry, guys. Here. And we are also inside a golden zone. Beautiful. So that's a nice confluence here. Take a look at the daily. Daily is bearish now. Okay. So we need the daily to go bullish once again. So we need daily to go bullish, come back down, pull back, take the trade. Okay. But once again, we need the 4R to go in sync also. So right now we are just bearish on the 4R. Okay. So I don't think we got anything ready, like clean ready right now. Just crazy. Like the right now this one's not close. So right now the market is like kind of like, yeah, not super nice. Doesn't happen a lot, but summertime usually can be a little funky. Little slower move, also less volume. Cheers, guys. Let me check the chat here. Dylan, how you doing, bud? Hi, Sasha. Can you explain a little more details your dovetail setup? Like, what do you look for in previous H4 candle or market structure? Any other pairs that can be scalp or only GG? Risk percentage. Yep. Okay. So, don't want to go like into full explanation because just like it can be a lot at first, but basically, okay. So basically, what you want, most of the time, you want to watch for your previous candle to go in the same direction of your trend. That will be one of the most important thing. If you're going against your trend, reduce your risk. Okay, you can use the fib as a TP, like on the opposite side. Um, and yeah, if let's say it breaks the wick in the first minute or so, usually I stay away. Or if I get in with a very smaller risk, because most of the time, price will come down, create the bottom wick, and shoot up after. Okay, so if we break right away, most of the time I stay away or enter with a very low risk because I would say like I would say 90%, but it's not a real percentage, but a very high percentage of the time, price will come back. And it did that this morning, by the way. Um, and what else? Risk percentage, it all depends to you. Risk percentage all depends to you. Like, what's your risk tolerance? And for me, I usually go for a 1-to-1, 1.5. If I'm in the same direction, most of the time I'll go for a 1.2. The reason why I got out early today, or not today, but was 2 days ago. When was that? That's Tuesday. Yeah, that was after the stream. I was really not feeling good. So I was like, you know what, just let me secure those profits, and I just walked away. So that's to be honest, that's the only reason, because technically I would have hold like at least a 2-to-1 here. Which exactly what Bilal did, and that's actually what I teach when you have room and when you look left. Look left. Always look fucking left. If you look left here, oh shit, there's nothing. So You're free to go. Shit. Can you tell I didn't watch this morning? But technically, you always want to watch left. What's going on? Do you have any obstacle in the chart? Here, we are the highest point, if I'm not wrong. Like, are we? Let's take a look at the months. Oh, no, we're not. When was that? In 2008. 2008 was the highest point in the history of GJ. And that's in 2007. We're about to reach that. But you see on the monthly here, we got clean traffic. Let's take a let's, not on that was on a year calendar. Let's take a look on the monthly. Month here. If I look at the month, yeah, clean traffic up to here to 2,213. Next resistance. Wow, crazy shit happening with GJ. Yeah. So, anyways, where was I? So I don't know if it's more clear, but we're gonna cover all those like in the boot camp also, very more in detail. What's going on here? The wifey just got here. What time is it? Okay, we're good. And of course, if I'm going against the trend, I'll reduce my risk also. Okay, so this. Any other pair you guys want to look at? Let me know. Let me check. Let me check anything very quickly. Let me check here very quickly. Wow. Holy. This. No, nothing. This, nothing. We're the high. USD GPY at a high. Here, I'm not even upgrading my. Oh, here. Look like we finally are getting there. Man, been waiting for a long time for this. EuroCAD. Okay, hold on. Wait a second. EuroCAD. Look at this gap, man. Look at history. Look behind. Like there's no gaps. Or very rarely. Like look at this one. This one's a huge fucking gaps. Holy, what happened this week? Daily. I don't know. EuroCAD, no. Take a look at the daily. What a mess. What a fucking mess. Oh, here. Okay, hold on. Weekly. Oops. Weekly. Oh, that's NZCAD. Yeah, no. I'm telling you guys, there's nothing very interesting here. Okay, so this one's not bearish though. That can be something here. Hold on, let's check. Weekly lower high. Okay, so hold on. Please stand by, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at the daily here. So daily is bearish. Daily went from bearish from there to there. And after that, we went bullish. Okay, so we got the weekly bearish, the daily bullish, so fuck it. Maybe the 4 hour, maybe? Oh, no, I don't want to go against that. I mean, look at the structure. Like, would you really want to take a trade to the upside right here when you know you had an area which is a major QP, you know it's a weekly area of interest, which is probably a golden zone also. You would you don't want to take a trade to the upside. So you'll wait for the day to flip back bearish and take it to the downside. Okay, so you stay away from those. AUDGPY, nothing interesting. Take a look at the daily. With a high. That's like I'm telling you, I don't see anything. So if you see something, let me know. Nothing very interesting. Let me see the chat. Are you still interested in EJ? Hold on. Euro GBP. Where is this one? Where is this one? Where is this one? The fuck is Euro GBP? Where's my Euro GBP? Do you guys like you steal my like what happened with Euro GBP? Euro. Am I drunk already? Guys, am I going crazy right now? Do you guys see Euro GBP on my watch list? Man, I think I'm getting drunk already. God damn. You guys seeing it? I don't see it. Euro GBP. I think I'm drunk. Fuck. Am I drunk? Am I drunk? Oh shit. I just spilled beer all over the place. Oh. Guys, this just happened live. Fuck, maybe I'm drunk. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so you guys see it or what? You might accidentally click the flag. Oh. You said EJ, no? Euro GBP, right? Oh, okay. I see what you mean. Okay. So maybe okay. So let's add it back. Owenda, right? Owenda. Yeah, because I always take you Owenda and I never had any problem with it. So I don't know what's going on here. Okay, so let's go check. Oh yeah, it was flag green. You're right. So maybe I play with the flag and disappear. I don't know. Okay, so let's thank you, Bilal. So maybe we got something. I don't know yet. Look at those gaps. It drives me nuts. It used to have no gaps with like I hate that. That's what's going on. Okay, so Euro GPP, what I'm waiting for is a pullback to this area, obviously to come down, or this area. Okay, so one of the two. So the first one is also in sync with, oops, sorry. Here we go. So the first one's in sync with the 3, 2 in the beginning of the golden zone. And the other one is actually at the end of the golden zone. So two nice area of rejection. This one though has also a major QP right here. So let's mark it down. Major QP. There we go. And you see we're rejecting now. So let's take a look at the daily. The daily is still bearish. All right, so we got the weekly bearish, the daily bearish. Awesome. Great. The 4 hour. Let's take a look. The 4 hour is bullish. Oh yeah, that's the one we were looking at the beginning of the stream, no? Was it? Oh, maybe it was Euro NZD. I don't know. Look at this gap. Drive me nuts. I never had those gaps with Oanda before. Crazy. Okay, so now I just need the 4 hour to go back bearish. So yeah, I'm still interested. That's the only one I'm actually like kind of interested right now. Like now, I need price to go down here, retest to come down. So still gonna keep an eye. I don't think it's gonna happen tomorrow. Like tomorrow's an FB, price might shoot up, shoot down, whatever. It's gonna be like all over the place. But I think next week we should have an interesting trading week. Because there's a lot of things that's about to play out, but there's nothing ready right now. So, but yeah, Euro GBP will stay on my watch list. Look at Euro NZ. I think it's the same kind of, yeah, it really looks similar. Yeah. Any questions? Let me know, guys. What time is it? Yeah, okay. That's gonna be a short one because we don't add anything else to break down. And you guys are way too quiet. What's going on? There we go. Cool. All right, guys. So thank you for being here tonight. I know it's 4th of July. Most of you are actually partying or having dinner with family. You're going to be watching the replay. But for the one of you that are here, big respect. Thank you. And I'll see you on Tuesday morning for another live trading session, guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy the weekend. Have fun. Be careful tomorrow. NFP, huge volume. Don't blow your account, guys. All right. Thank you so much once again. And I'm wishing you an amazing weekend. Peace out.